Okay, so 2021 Toyota Camry. We're gonna go ahead and clone the customer's key. We're gonna go to transponder clone. We're gonna read transponder. We have inserted a super chip. Okay, in our key. So there's a super chip in here, special chip, transponder 8A. We're gonna go ahead and clone. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, okay, hotspot, any type of internet. There's our new key with our super chip inside. There's our customer's program key. Checking internet. Make sure that it's pointing down. Okay, and the chip is in a readable position. So you guys can see it says waiting. Okay. Please put the original key. Okay, please take out the original car key. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put the super chip key in here. Okay, detecting super chip, waiting. Just take out the key. Okay, it's calculating data. Complete. Check it out. Key goes in. Emergency light stays off. Car turns on. Just like that. Alright guys, for these newer 8A transponder mobilizer chip vehicles, 2021 and over, okay, you will require a calculation, a password calculation, okay, from Nastf, Techstream, or a third party like AutoKey Pros, or even another person that does it. Okay, so you would have to read the set of codes that they send you, and it's 3 codes, and you will send it to a third party. They will calculate the password for you and send it to you when you're adding a key. Now, if it's all keys lost, you guys will need to request 2 passwords. Okay, in order to reset the ECU, the IMMO ECU, you need 1 password, and then to add a key after the IMMO ECU is resetted, that's another password. Okay, so this IMMO system is kind of like a rolling code function where you read the 3 codes. Okay, you send it to the person that's going to calculate it for you. He sends you the password, and you go ahead and add a key or reset the ECU. Okay, and like I said, if you're doing all keys lost, you need to request 2 passwords. So you read the codes with your programmer. Okay, through the OBD, you read the data, and you send it to the third party, and they send you the password back. Okay, that's how it works. So it's like a rolling code function. Every time it's giving you different data on there. So you need to be on it precise, and then and there, send him the data so he can calculate your password for you, and you're able to add a key or reset the IMMO ECU. Now, like I said, if you guys have the key to max, you guys can now clone it, okay, and go around that function where you need Nastf or Techstream, okay, to program a key. All you gotta do is just clone it, and then with your programmer, you're able to program the remote side, okay. So the remote part. So there's 2 parts. You program the transponder, and then you program the remote. Okay, but what I do is I usually clone the transponder, and I'll just program the remote with my programmer. Okay, you guys, and that's how I go bypass the Nastf Techstream function that I need to do. Alright, so if you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, you guys, to join, become members today, have priority commenting, be part of our community group chat, okay, and much, much more, you guys. Okay, well, take care. Till next time, you guys. Later.